Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about arithmetic operation in NumPy arrays. There are two ways to do arithmetic operation by using constant value and using NumPy array. So first of all, let's see how to do arithmetic operation by using a constant value. So first of all, import NumPy as np and create an array. Okay, after importing NumPy array, we have to create one array by using of np.array, arrange function, linspace, identity. There are multiple ways to create array. Let's now create a array by using of np.array. Okay, here you can see there are total 4 elements available in array A. Now, if you want to multiply or addition with some constant value, let's see what happen next. Okay, whenever you are trying to add 2 in array A, it is adding in every elements. That's how we can add constant value in particular array. If we are trying to divide by some values like some constant value, here you can say that all elements of an array is divided by 2. Let's do multiplication. Okay, all elements are multiplied by 2. If you want to do power operation, all elements are powered by 2. Now let's say how to do arithmetic operation by using of NumPy array. So first of all, we have to create one NumPy, another NumPy array. So let's create with np.arrange function. If you don't know anything about np.arrange, np.array, you can see my previous video and find out detailed introductions about this, how to create an array by using of different function. Now let's create arrange. If you want to know how which parameter np.arrange function will take, you can press shift tab in Jupyter notebook. Here you can say you have to give start, stop and step, and we can also provide d types or data types. So let's provide 1 to 5. It won't include 5. It will start from 1 and end at 4. Here you can say it will take value from 1 to 4 only because 5 is not included in particular array. Now let's do NumPy array operation. First of all, let's add array A and array B. A is already created array and B is created just now. Here you can say there is also element wise addition is done, like first element of A is 1 and the first element of B is 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Second element of B is 2 and the second element of A is also 2. So 2 plus 2 it will give 4 and so on. Now do multiple operation. multiplication operation on both NumPy array. Here you can say that like multiplication is also done element wise. 1 is multiplied by 1, it will give result 1. 2 is multiplied by 2, it will give result 4. 3 is multiplied by 3, it will give result 9. 4 is multiplied by 4, it will give result 16. In this way, we can do arithmetic operation on NumPy array by using a constant value or by adding or multiplication or any other operation by using of NumPy array. That's all for today. Keep learning and stay safe. Thank you very much.